Hi there, it's Tania from Tatty Treasures. So this is the second kit that I wanted to show you that I'm going to be working with over Christmas time. So this is from After Midnight Designs. Marie contacted me to see if I wanted to work with one of her kits. I fell in love with her autumn one, and unfortunately I've finished autumn. So I had a look what she got for Christmas, and this one's called Christmas Junk Journal number 4, and it is massive. It's got 26 pages altogether. 15 of those are journal pages, and then 48 of them are elements. So I think I have printed a couple off. More than one. Let's have a look. Just have a quick drink of my coffee. Now I won't be using all of this because I'm not doing Christmas per se. I'm doing more botanical winter. But the good thing is about this kit, you could actually just do two totally different projects with it. One's very Christmassy and then the other's more botanical. So let's have a look at my kit pages first. And I love like the coffee staining on the actual sheets. It's really, really nice. See, shall flick through. We'll see some beautiful botanicals in it. And little robin. So that's is that a chaffinch? Cardinal. Another robin, love that with the bells on. Oh, yeah, printed that one out twice. Must have really loved that one. Sorry about the shadows and stuff. But I just wanted to quick nip on and show it you so I can start getting it cut out. So this one I will probably use, and this one, love this one, really very cute. This so yeah, I'm gonna do a little project using this. Absolutely stunning. I would love wrapping paper in that. And then we get a lined one, a plain lined one, which I've got upside down. Printed that out twice. And then we've got a totally plain one. So they're the kit pages. And then, oh, it was the right, sorry. It was the right way around before. So these are all the elements. Got 4 pockets on this one. And 2 there, and then some tickets. I think this was like the last page. So you get a pocket and some tabs. Then we've got a coin envelope and a couple of banners. Another coin envelope and 2 more banners. Then with lots of envelopes. So yeah, I think I'm going to do something with an envelope. So, oh, love that. And this one. And we've got some tags and some banners. Some more tags and some little tickets. Got big strips of tickets, some more tabs and some circles. And we've got all these file folders. So we've got this one. And that one. This reminds me of like the way I decorate my tree and stuff. Do really like that one. Oh, sorry. and then we've got a nice plain one, which I can obviously use for anything. I've printed that off twice. I have printed all this off on manila. I've done the elements on 200 GSM, and the papers are, I think it's 100, 110 GSM, but I've done it in cream because it's very cream-like. And then this was another little, you know, one-page kit, and this is Postcards 1 Christmas Vintage. So I thought these would go lovely with the kit. So I'm going to get it cut out and see what I can make with it. So I will be back to show you what I'm doing with Nanine's kit and with Marie's kit. So I will put Marie's details in the description. She has got lots and lots of different Christmas things. So if you still haven't made a decision on what kit you're going to be using this year, she might be well worth checking out. And if you haven't done anything for autumn, yeah, a kit is absolutely stunning. It was just a little bit late finding it. So that's me for now. I shall see you very soon. Bye for now.